Desktop PC Connectable Label Printer. Print up to 18 mm Z laminated tapes with PC or Mac OS systems direct connection. 20 mm per second fast print speed. Print up to 5 lines. Supports barcode printing. 50 programmable memory. Transform home or Soho working environment with Brothers PT-D210 Professional Label Printer. Print on durable Z laminated labels up to 18 mm in width and up to 20 mm per second fast print speed. PT-D210 Label Printer is compact and easy to use, which can personalize important files and folders, identify home office equipment and cables, and organize storage boxes. Labeling items have never been easier with PT-D210 Label Printer, which will result in an organized workspace and allow the focus on the real task at hand. Perfect for standalone use. Comes with a built-in QWERTY keyboard with a large graphical LCD and a print preview. PT-D210 Label Printer is user-friendly and easy to use, which facilitates fast typing with optimal desktop handling. Flexible connectivity options. PT-D210 Label Printer is perfect for straightforward standalone use. It can also be connected to a computer via a USB connection to print labels. Save favorite labels. Save frequently used labels up to 50 memory locations for instant recall and printing when required. P-Touch Editor Software. Brothers P-Touch Editor 6 is a complementary label design software that offers newly updated features ranging from an increased number of specially designed templates, additional numbers, time and date, logos, symbols, and barcodes, with an overall refreshed user interface for a truly connected solution for creating customized labels. Durable Z laminated label. Brothers Z laminated tapes have been rigorously tested to withstand even the harshest conditions. With excellent resistance to water, abrasion, chemicals, and extreme temperature, Z laminated labels remain legible over time. These labels are easy to peel and stick and come in a variety of colors, widths, and sizes to suit any application.